All right, guys, on this particular video, Very Dark Man don't comment. Tell us, say, he strongly believes, say, the media is being controlled. Yes, that most of the media platforms are being paid to do what they are doing, to go silent on what is affecting us in Nigeria. I don't know what you think about these statements, but I would like us to listen to what Very Dark Man have to say, alongside with other video.
All right, so there's something I forgot to add in my previous video, and here's the truth, yeah? The media is being controlled. The media is being controlled. The bloggers are under a payroll. A lot of them are under payroll. They are being controlled. The mainstream media, the television station, the newspapers, bloggers. Instablog is being controlled. Linda is being controlled. A lot of bloggers. Tunde Ednut is being offered money almost every day. They even offered him money to never post Peter Obi again. I know today not to be wondering how I found out. As they offer you now, so they sit they offer me too. So I know. They'll try to bring you so close. How I know say you never collect now, you still they post Peter Obi. And now you still they post some things. So we say it concerns a day against what they try to hide. How you still they post then I make me know say you never collect. If not, I don't know. A lot of A-list celebrities have been spot. They don't give them, they don't collect. Do you understand? They want to make sure that they paint it out there that everything is okay. But insecurity, they have a backyard. People are buying every day, not almost every day. People are not be natural buy. This is from insecurity, steady. It's happening steady. Now let me tell you how they control this media. Let me tell you how. Let's say there's a news that 500 people buy for one community. The natural instinct of people where the thing happen, go on make Nigerians know, right? They'll quickly contact all these blogs. They'll send it to them. Oh yeah, this is what is happening. If they get a picture, they can send. If they get a video, they will send to the bloggers. But these bloggers that are being controlled are main bloggers, right? See what they'll do. They don't post them immediately. They'll just let it, they'll leave it first. They will try to water down the news. Do you understand? Now, they will not start posting a lot of things that does not concern security. Where no really they, yes, entertainment is important. Yes, you can post some things for cruise. These two people, they fight. Yes, you can post it. But when there's something that has to do with the country, a national issue, I expect that a lot of them will put it first. But they will deliberately just skip it away. They will deliberately skip it. So they'll post, oh, this one, they fight. They'll put these two people, they fight. This guy, this one do BBA, this one buy car, this one this. That's what they will arrange. They will arrange it in a line. They'll put it. Then that news of 500 people they'll now put it. If they put it, see what they will do. They'll not put a picture or a video so that you will really see that people buy. Where go disturb you, where go demand, say me you tell government, say, oh no, this is wrong. They will put a picture. Just picture of something. The guy will take drum. Then they will now write an epistle, a long note. Because they know a lot of Nigerians don't read. So they will not do a follow-up on the news. They will water down the news. Immediately they'll follow up with entertainment. I'll give you an instant. Very Dark Man talk about the Burna Boy, Wizkid and Davido. Instablog carry and post. Guess what next? They start to do a follow-up on the news. I posted something. Again, they carry and go post. I posted another thing. They give them a series. But when it concerns insecurity, they will never give you series. They will never give you the dates. They will never tell you that, oh, this is what happened today. This is what's happening tomorrow. They will not tell you. Now let's go to the televisions. The televisions are also like that. They are like that. They don't go even TVC. They can't even talk about it. Are they mad? A lot of them, they will not, they know you try them. Newscasters or television stations, they don't even go to places where things happen again. You not concern them, they need to go. Bro, listen to me. The only reason why President Bola Ahmed Tinubu now go to say he won't go Benue State, not because I won't give myself credit, but I'm just telling you how bad it is. If to say I know go make video, go post, I swear to God, you people will not know. That's why I went there. I had to risk it all. I don't care. Imagine say they make attack yesterday, I go there today. Do you know the risk? They will come back for second round because they don't do it for Bukos. They attacked Bukos that time, December last year. December 2024, 2025. 2024, I'll be 2023, 22nd, 23rd, 25th, 26th, they came back, they makapaka people. So they do it. So I risk it all, I say, make I go there. Do you understand? So you see the control. Yesterday was crazy. Yesterday was crazy. I really thank God that I went to Benue State, because I thank God I entered Makurdi. I thank God say I entered Makurdi. As I took that video yesterday, I was going to come back home, show people that this was really going on. Then the guy, when we say I test him and show me the place, come follow me inside car, say, you don't chop a day for Benue. I say, man, I know they're interested, I won't go. Say, just try. Now we think carry me enter town with that. And as I enter town, as I see River Benue, I was so happy. For the first time I see River Benue, so big, I was so happy. I see the bridge, I just say police full the bridge. What's going on? They say flying bullets in the front. Say they shoot. What's happen? Say some people they protest, and they protest aggressively. I say aggressively how? Say they try to calm the situation. I say, so can we pass? I say no. Okay, no problem. I can't turn. As I turn, I can't talk, say no. I need to go see what they happen. As I reach there, as she said, they don't bomb tire. The youths, they're no hungry. Those youths that I saw yesterday, they're ready to buy. Those youths when I see yesterday, they're ready to buy to make a statement so that that killing where they happen for Benue State could end. They were ready to lay down their lives. When I saw the voltage, I said, okay, you know what, brothers, we should not block the road. Because at the end of the day, you are protesting in front of the police. The real enemy is no day here. That's just the truth. But the government needs to listen. But we need to also pass our message with civility. Do you understand? Let them open their arms to receive us and listen. Because the main enemies are not here. The people who go by those 200 people for Yalwata, they're not there here. So let's do civility. They were okay. They said, okay, no problem. Very dark man. They opened the road. We're going. As I just turn back, I just see tear gas. Poo, 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 poo. I just start to see the big van. They come. And the youths were ready yesterday in Benue State. That's why I say, wait, please, guys, wait. Took me some time to calm them down. Oh yeah, I started to do one like this. God so kind, the police when they come, they recognize me. God so kind, don't be sad too popular. Now God, now he said they will recognize me. Immediately they stop. I go beg them, I say, bros, I beg. We don't already declare road. We are no violence. We can walk around. Do you understand? Our aim self, we will go do Wall of Jericho for government house. We'll walk around it until the governor hears the cries of the people and stop the insurgency and the insecurity that is going on in the state. So I just spoke to them. They say, okay, you need to talk to the Oga. As they go talk to the Oga, more vans they come. More vans. Talk to the Oga, can't you see us clearing the road? He said, who are you? What brought you here? Other ones, they recognize me at least. Now I say, what brought you here? They Mufti. I say, I saw this situation. I came to make a video and then also report it so that the government can see and do something about it. He said, did you take permission from the commissioner? Did you take permission from the DSS? What if you are lynched? I said, Oga, nobody go lynch me. He said, but what if? I said, bros, I get oil for my head. It's not possible, bro. He said, but you didn't take permission. I said, I don't need to take permission from anybody. This is my country. I took the risk. It is my own country. Can't tell me not where to go and where not to go. My country be that. If I want to go to Benue, I'll go to Benue. Benue is my state. Any state in this Nigeria is my state. They say, this one, next thing, he won't try to put the blame on me, saying, let me bring those people. I just then I say, bros, you can't do that. The only thing I want to do for you now is to actually look for a way to have your commissioner talk to us. He said, okay, the commissioner did the car. Then they will look for a way to get across to the governor. No, I say, fine. We are going to clear the roads. Then we'll come back for the commissioner to address us. As I just turn, I just see more crowd. I can't say those youths, they were so ready. That's when I stood up and I spoke. So them, okay, see you. By blocking this road, yes, the government will lose. We are also losing because all these governors you're seeing, not just governors, all these government officials you're seeing, a lot of them, they don't stack up money from January. We're going to survive them for 5-10 years. They'll just go inside one bunker somewhere, they'll enjoy their life. We'll go just there. Let's pass the message with civility. Because at the end of the day, the real enemies, they're not even there with us. Because even these police now, we will stand for their front. So at the end of the day, when I reach that place, go back to my video. The guy said it, that if not for police, they will finish them. When the police started coming and sending and shooting, blah, 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 that was when those other people ran away. If not for them, he said not for them, that town was done for. Spoke, they agreed, they said, okay, no problem. Came back, they said, commissioner, no day. Next thing, another one came. One put out for my head. Next thing, I just received a call. Okay, they say, very dark man is here. I spoke. Oh, guys, very dark man, head, you are there. Please, can you just look for a way to calm me down? You know, they will pass the message across to the governor and they will do their best. That's what the policeman said. He said, we will do our best. Do you understand? We are all working together for the country. We will not send people to go and be killing. Do you understand? We will not send somebody to go and be killing. I later found out that that's the commander of IRT, Sanusi. Oga Sanusi. He was the one that said, see, please, if you can do your best, calm me down, we'll all work together for a better Nigeria. When he spoke, I said, okay, no problem. Boom, went back again. I said, the commissioner is not around. Guys, please, let's just easily go back home and let's see what will happen. Do you understand? Before I can release that video, where all of them can see. They didn't know I had that video before. People were there online facing a protest. I go, no. That's what I went to do. Now, Tinubu, because Tinubu now they talk, say, hey, Ingo go there on Wednesday, Ingo do this. They knew this thing was going on since. I just that video where come out. Don't be say I want to hear myself. If I no go there, no level. They go do them, they go treat them like every other news. They will treat it like just news. They'll treat it like the way they treat the news in Jos. That's what they would have done. A lot of states people they buy. Anywhere and go, everybody buy. What are you saying? Till the country is secured? A lot of you are just, everybody just there for their phone. They don't know where they go on. Everybody, Nigeria is slowly falling apart. You need to put us together to make this country great. If not, I say go to your house, even me where they talk like this. If you come, boah. May God help us. May God help us. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, go learn. I will learn the hard way. Don't play.
Have you asked yourself why every young boy now wants to go into fraud? Ask yourself why. Yahoo boys are winning more souls with the lifestyle they show. When I was growing up, when I was small, if you sit down and watch TV, you see doctor. From the way doctor speaks and what doctor does, you aspire to be like a doctor. So let's paint a picture now for the future of Nigeria. Imagine a small boy now, they watch TV, see governor, they struggle to speak English. Tell me why that child now will find school attractive. Daddy, I don't have to be serious in school now, because daddy, if I become too serious in school self, I will not even become a governor. After all, governors cannot speak English well. Yes, now. Tell me why I go serious with school when people who they rule us no serious for school when they did school. It shows that the ones who open to no book for Nigeria said no, they achieve anything. Most of my guys for secondary school no book, most of them are teacher they be. And as they teach, people when they do fraud, they laugh them. So explain why the next generation of children or people want to take education serious. If you don't take education serious, what is the fate of the nation? This is the problem. Core incompetence. Stop giving power to people who don't know what to do with it. Stop showing off things in society that you know you'll not be proud of. Now, all of us don't do fraud. All of us do rubbish what they like. They want our children. Children learn from what they see. Human beings learn from what you see. It's easy for us to learn from what we see. That's why practical they help us. Theory now talk. Our politicians now theory talk. But the lifestyle that influences people is from practical. We should start doing good things for children to learn from. If not, let's go copy. Hello.
The owner's president, shame on you. Everybody will call me again, advise me. I will post your number and I will post your picture. You're parts of the problem. That killings will be going on, things will be going on in the country, and the owner's president will close his mouth like a coward. All because he's loyal to the government. Now Google kill all of you now. The other time they said money was missing in net funds, the student loan. I was looking forward to see the next president's reaction. Nothing. So why the fuck are you there? And they are saying that, hey, be careful now, go and kill now, keep careful. How do you think the Nigerian students feel watching the next president giving a speech on Democracy Day to clap for Tinubu? How? Just how? What sacrilege? It's a sacrilege. All those that have lost their lives in the spirit of Aluta will be turning in their graves. Nigerian students, you must stand up. Tag your SUG presidents, tag your departmental presidents, tag your faculty governors. None of them must be left out. This wickedness cannot be happening in Nigeria, and you're keeping quiet. Oh, I'm too small to talk. I'm not relevant in the scheme of things. You talk to the water on our forehead. Government has treated us so bad because cowards like you keep quiet. Saturday, the next president was giving an interview. The president's son stooped so low to mingle with Nigerian youths. Say Tinubu stooped so low. Now see Nigerians finish you. I follow you up, Ladoja. I know you are watching this video. I follow you up closely. I follow you up so close. So when I come outside to say now God go help me punish you, know that I don't think your matter go left, go right. You not deserve mercy. God just need to help me punish you. And it's shame for you. Hey, Precious, please take it easy. What the fuck is wrong with all of you? Look around you. Is this the country you dream for your children? Bwah! Now the craze. This week I'm not even laughing with anybody. Tag them. I've looked for him everywhere on social media. Now as president, I don't have social media. But if something is happening, how are the students going to complain to you? How are we going to find you? I will look for your number. I will post it on the internet, and Nigerian students will help me call you to beg you. So you add your voices to our plights. What is wrong with you people? If you talk, they will arrest you. Arrest me. Arrest me. But open that motherfucking mouth of yours and talk. Talk. Nigeria needs that speech. Talk.
If President Tinubu is truly our president and Nigeria lives matter, let him travel to Benue today to go and see what is going on. Let him travel. If he's truly our president, let him travel to Benue today. In fact, some of his governors and his ministers should follow him to Benue to show solidarity that, yes, you are truly our father. Go to Benue today, sir, Mr. President.
As for me, I'm not surprised. Do you know why I'm not surprised? Because I've been saying it for a long time on my media that most medias are being controlled. Just for example, for our mainstream medias, there are things they cannot do. For example, VDM going all the way to Benue State, our mainstream medias cannot do that because they are being controlled. Then the bloggers, a lot of them, YouTubers, Instagram, or many of them are being controlled. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Take care, guys, and bye for now.